Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. This is how we do it. It's your boy. Discretion. In West Philadelphia, born and raised, on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school when a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with the auntie and uncle in Bel Air."
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game. It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. We're from dollar bills, now we poppin' rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like, hey. Flexing on the ground like, hey. Hit that little John, okay, okay. Oh yeah, we drippin' and finesse and getting paid.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you off. When I'm walking with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, baby, don't play. Blaming all my confidence, or blaming all your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. We out here tripping and finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here tripping and finesse. You know it, you know. Out here tripping and finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here tripping and finesse. You know it, you know it.
This is how we do it. It's Friday night. Life feel alright. The party's here on the west side. So I reach for my 40 and I turn it up. Designated now I take the keys to my truck. In the show cause I'm faded. Ladies in the streets say money, yo, we made it. It feels so good in my hood tonight. The summertime skirts and the guys ain't tonight. All the gangbangers forgot about the drive-by. You gotta get your groove on before you go get paid. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up and let me hear the party say,
I hit tripping and finesse.
Discretion.
this is how we do it. South Central does it like nobody
You
does.
know it, you know. I hit tripping and finesse.
This is how we do it. Let's flip the track, bring the old school
You
back.
know it, you know it. Fellas, grab your ladies if your lady fine. Tell her she don't want for life. Ladies, grab your fellas and let's do this right. If you want one like me and mine.
Once upon a time in 94, Montel made no money and life show was slow. And all they said was 6'8" he stood. And people thought the music that he made was good. Delivered DJ and Paul was his name. He came up to money, this is what he said. You and OG, you're gonna